Meaning of device.
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 Device. A device refers to any physical or virtual tool, instrument, or machine that is used to perform a specific task or function. Devices can be electronic, mechanical, or a combination of both, and are typically designed for specific purposes such as communication, entertainment, or data processing. These can range from smartphones, laptops, and smartwatches to printers, cameras, and even virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. In essence, devices are essential tools that help us accomplish different tasks and make our lives easier and more efficient.